Okay, welcome back. Now comes the most interesting stage of creating interactivity, that is doing the programming. Right now I will close the browser. So now we have already created all the materials needed and we have named it properly. And after this, now comes how if I click on this black metal, say for example, I have this three cubes here. So if I select this and if I click on this white sphere, the color of this stand should change to white. If I click on black, this should change to black. If I click on this, this should change to chrome. So this is the interactivity we are going to do with coding. Basically in 3JS, we may have to write huge set of codes and you have to understand JavaScript, and it's a very complicated process, and this entire process Verge3D had made it very easy. So to integrate or to implement this programming part, you have to come to App Manager. Click on the App Manager and here you have the interactive table, and in this, in operations, you have a button here called as Edit Puzzles. So we have to now click on this Edit Puzzles. So this is now going to open the puzzle and you are seeing this interactive scene over here. Now actually here what is happening is we are not seeing all other materials because now right now I will close the browser. What we have done is we have to save this file, and after saving this, without forget we have to come to File, Export, and we have to export this as Verge3D GLTF format. Export Verge3D GLTF, and only after this, if I save this, now if I come to App Manager and now if I click on Edit Puzzle, now you can see all the scene material available over here. So now we are going to implement our coding part. So now what is the first event we are going to do? We are going to do a click. What the user will do is going to click on any of these three spheres. So for this we have to come to events, and if you come to events you have various events, and in this we are going to select this when clicked event and I am going to place it here. This is the when click event, and when click, what are they going to click? I have to add it here. So I have to add the object here, and you can see all the object name coming over here, and in this list I am going to select sphere black. So when you click on sphere black, what should happen? We want the material to change. So for this I will come to material, and if you click on material you have an option here, assign material. I am going to drag this, I am going to drag this out, and I am going to fix it over here. Now what is the material that I have to assign? If I click on this link, I have to select paint black. Where I have to assign this material? I have to assign it to the object metal stand. So this is so simple. We have now written the entire code. Now come to the bottom here. If you come bottom here, you have one save button. Now click on save button. This is going to save the puzzle, and then I have to click on this play button to execute this puzzle. So when I click on this play button, now what happens? Now if I come here and if I click on the black button, you can see the color has changed. So okay, we have only implemented one script here. So when I click on this button, the color is changing to black. Now to implement it to other objects, what we are now going to do is we are going to select this, and I am going to right click and choose duplicate. This entire set is duplicated. Now what I am going to do is when I click on sphere chrome, I want to assign the material chrome to metal stand. And again I will save this. After saving it, I will execute it. And now if I click on the chrome, you can see the color change to chrome. If I click on black, the color change to black. Now, if I click on white, this should change to white. So for this, again we are going to select this, right click, duplicate, I will drag it down, and now when I click on the sphere white, I want to assign the material paint white to the object here, metal stand. And now again I will save this. After saving it, I am going to run the code, and now if I click on this, this will apply white, this will apply chrome, this will apply black. Okay, so you have now understood how easily we can implement our code or our logic in this, using this, and we need not worry about 3JS coding, nothing. Everything is represented here with these puzzles. So with this, now what I will now do is, this is done now. I will close this web interactive. I will come to this interactive table. I will click on this Verge3D icon, and now if I click it, you can see the colors changing. See, I can see how the colors are changing as I click here. This is white, this is black, and this is chrome. Okay, this is running fine. So we have implemented our first interactivity here. So with this, I am now going to close this browser and I am going to save this file. Okay, welcome back. Now our next mission is to change the texture of this wooden material when we click on these three planks or the slabs. So this material has to be replaced with this. So for this, we are going to use a different approach. So for this, what we have to first do is, now select this, just see that all are given the right name. See here, you can see I have named this as wooden material 1, and this is named as wooden material 2 and wooden material 3. Only problem here is this and this has the same material. So what I have to now do is, I have to select this slab, and instead of wood material 1, I am going to rename this as actually, or what I will do is, I will select this one and I will rename this as wood material, okay, 00. Okay, I will name this as wood material 00, and I will select this and I am going to name this as wood material underscore 01. So now this has wood material 01, this has wood material 00, this has 2, this has 3. So we have given unique names to every material here. And in default view, let us now come to the app manager. Now after all these changes, I have to come back here, go to file, save, and then go to file, export, Verge3D GLTF, and I have to export it. And only after I export it, I have to now launch the app manager. I will just close it, and again I will launch the app manager in the browser, and now I will come to the edit puzzle. So if I come to edit puzzle, we have already added these three puzzles. Now what I will do is, I am going to now select this and I am going to duplicate this, and when clicked, instead of sphere white, now I am going to select actually slab 1. So when you click slab 1, now we are not going to assign the material. We are not going to assign the material. So I will remove this and I will press backspace to delete it off. Okay, I have just removed it. Now I will come back to materials here, and you have one option here called replace texture. I will just drag it and attach it over here. And now when I come and when I attach this, now in this replace texture, now first thing is I have to select in which material I have to replace this texture. So I have given this the name as wood material 00. Okay. And in wood material 00, already we have applied the texture wood base color 1.jpg. And I want this to be replaced by a new texture. And for this new texture, I have to give a path. Okay, from where this should get the path. So for this, now if you come to app manager and if you click on the folder here, this will open the app folder, and in the app folder right now, because this is a simple application, we have kept all our textures in the same folder as the app, or else we can create a folder called texture and in that we can place it. But right now we have placed it in the same folder. So I am going to select this name. Okay, when I click on the first material, I want this file. So I am going to select this and I'll select the option here rename, and I will select this entire name with .jpg. I will copy this. Now I will come to the app interactive here, and in here after is dot and dash. One second. See here you can see after this dot and dash, I will select this entire name, and here I will press Ctrl V to place this. And now again I will save this, and after I save this, I will execute this. Now when I execute it and when I click it, no change is going to happen because this material and this material is the same. So let us again duplicate this and let us make this slab 2, and now instead of base color 1, we are going to replace it with base color 2. And now again let us save this, execute it, and now let us see what happens. See, automatically this color is changing, but we have one problem here. See, this material is also getting changed. Well, for this what I will do is I will come back to the application here. See, this is wood material 00. This drawer is wood material 00, and this is wood material 01 I have applied. Okay, but still why am I getting this error? So I will now select this wood material 00. I will come to shading, and in this wood material 00, I am going to replace this name wood base color underscore 1.jpg. I am going to name this simply as wood, and I will press enter. I'll just name it as wood. Now I will go to file and choose save. So now wood material 00 has wood material, but if I come to 1, okay, and for 1 I have to actually have a different material. I will click on this number to make it a single user copy. So that is for wood material 00, I will name this as wood. Okay, and for wood material 1, this I will make it as a single copy, and I am going to name this, I will remove of this dot and jpeg. Okay, I will remove of that dot 001. Okay, and I will come to wood material 2, and this also I will make it a single copy, so that I will remove the 002. So everything I will make it a single copy. Now wood material 3 also I will do. So this is already using only one material. So this is some modification I have done. Now I will go to file, choose save, go to file, export, export Verge3D GLTF. I will export it. Now come back to default view, come to browser, and now I will close everything. Now again I will open app manager, click on edit puzzle, and here now what I have to do is here the replace texture, this is called as wood, and this is also called as wood. Okay, this is also called as wood. Okay, now I will save this, I will execute it, and now let us see. Okay, it is again having some problem here. Okay, so to solve this problem now, what I will do is, so for this drawer, it is applied with wood material 00, and in shading, this has the name wood, fine. And next is for if I come to this, this is also having, okay, this is applied with wood material 3. Okay, I have to apply this with wood material 00. Okay, so I have to apply wood material 00 for this, and this is also applied with 00. This is applied with 01. I have to apply 01 for this. This should be applied with wood material 2. This is applied with wood material 3. And now I will go to file, choose save. I will go to file, export, and I will again export this as GLTF file. Now again I will close these browsers. Now again I will click on app manager, come to edit profile, and now let us check it. So if I click on this, this is same color. If I click this, okay, now it is working fine. So when I click this, the color is this. When I click this, the color has changed. Now what I have to do is I have to just duplicate one more copy of this, and now here I am going to select slab 3, and when I click on slab 3, this should change to the material 3. Okay, and now again save it, run it, and now let us check this. So if I click here, this material change. When I click here, the material change. When I click here, the material is changed. So now this is working fine. Okay, so with this working well, now let us now close this. So understand here, we should, when we are attaching material here, every material should be separate. This was the issue. Only for this wood, that is the main, that is the body. So if I open the collection here, only the table main body and the table drawer should have the same material. Okay, other than that, all these three should have a different material. So this was the issue that we were facing. So if you come to material, you can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 0, and this is 0. Okay, so this has solved our problem. So with this, now I will go to file, choose save, go to file, export, one second, go to file, export, Verge3D GLTF, save it. Now come back here to app manager, and in app manager I will close all these things, and if you click on this Verge3D button, now see I click here, here, and here, the color is changing, chrome, white, and this. And now if I click on this, this is the color, here the color changed, and here the material change. So this is working fine. Okay, the next part is to create this animation, and this part we are going to do it in our next session. Thank you.